Welcome! This is an intro video of our product page gallery app for Shopify. Many themes come with limited image galleries for product pages. Some don't even have a slider function, the others do not provide proper zoom capabilities. Our app empowers any theme with a customizable gallery having all important features built in. With just one click, add arrows and thumbnails to easier navigate through your images. The zoom option allows to get a closer look. The built-in video player showcases your products in action. These and many other features you can easily install on your store with our app. Upgrade your product page today. Help your customers to find the exact product they need.